So today we're going to be looking at slime. Cool types of slime, basically. So, I guess we should start with this one right here. You guys need to be far away so you can actually see what I'm doing. So, I open it. And then, sorry, that was something I did. I don't even think how to do control slime, but just think it's cool. No. Forget it. Okay, anyway. Let's put this one down. I don't know how these. You have to go to I don't know what that winners is, but somewhere. And then we got this one. What? The way you see it is not. Yeah, it says jelly, but you guys don't see it real good. So this one has fake fruits inside. This one's more yeah, it's more see what I mean? It's more harder. Get little fruit things inside of it. And the next one, fluffy. Yeah, it says fluffy. Yeah, fluffy. I only have 4 for this kid. So this one's bouncy. That one's also see what I mean by that? It is very cool. I know you guys can't really see it that good, but okay, next one. The next one's really sick. Wait, look, I have to show you. Boom. Just get this out of here. It's stuck. Okay, we got it out. It wasn't actually stuck, but yeah. This one's here, if you want to play with that, here, pretend these are your hands. Wait, I need to be Pietro. What? Sorry, that was my bad. That's gonna be it for today. And subscribe, and you don't really have to comment, but if you comment, it's okay. But yeah, bye.